Did you know there's a bird called the hoatzin that has chicks with claws on their wings, native to the Amazon and Orinoco River basins in South America? The hoatzin is sometimes called a stink bird due to its unique digestive system, which ferments vegetation in a manner similar to a cow. The most remarkable feature of hoatzin chicks, however, is their wing claws. When threatened, the young birds can use these claws to climb back into the trees if they fall or are forced to flee. This trait is reminiscent of the ancient Archaeopteryx, a transitional fossil between dinosaurs and modern birds. Please like, share and subscribe.